Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make almond praline. Start by toasting 2 cups of almonds until fragrant and set them aside to cool. Prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment and measure 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons water. Use medium heat and a heavy pan to dissolve sugar to an amber caramel while stirring gently. Have a spatula ready to fold almonds into caramel and spread thinly to cool. Once your almonds are toasted, focus on the caramel. Control matters more than speed. Combine sugar and a splash of water and warm it slowly over medium heat until it turns amber and fragrant. Avoid vigorous stirring that can cause crystallization. Tilt the pan if needed to help even melting. When it reaches color, immediately add the almonds and fold them in so each nut is evenly coated before spreading on parchment to cool. After spreading the coated almonds, let the slab cool completely before handling to prevent sticking and burns. Use a sharp knife or rolling pin to break the praline into chunks or pulse briefly in a food processor for finer pieces. Store the praline in an airtight container at room temperature away from moisture to keep it crisp, and bring to room temperature before serving if it was chilled for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.